Okay, we are back per request with the racing lawnmower and 112 octane. As you guys know, we tried methanol and that seemed to work okay. We tried 93 octane and that worked better than the methanol. So I said if 93 was better, we were gonna try 110. I went down to the gas station and picked up 112 because that's what they had. I'm gonna throw a 20-80 mix of 112 to 93 octane in a gallon of gas and put that gallon in the racing lawnmower and see how it performs. I just drained the gas tank, so we're gonna mix it up and then throw it in. Got that bug. And there goes our racing fuel. Okay, we're looking good now. That looks like enough. All right, let's try it. Okay. Okay, I'll put it in gear. It's in first. All right, okay, it moves, we're gonna go. Hate it. I flooded it. So I don't know if you could see or not. Actually, I don't know if you could see. I kind of just set the camera up and just did donuts. And I had no helmet, so couldn't really rip it really hard. Stayed in first gear because first gear was donuts. It was great. We do have flat tires. Like all four of the tires pretty much touch rim, so that's not ideal. Now that we know it runs, I need to grab a helmet, grab an air filter, pump up the tires. We can try another mixture with the 112 because that seemed to do wonders. So